First of all, I just wanted to say I do not have microphone stands, so today you're probably going to be dealing with this floating around a lot. So let's jump straight into this video. I'm Alberto, and today I'm going to be showing you how I upgraded my 2009 iMac into a usable computer in 2020. I found this machine at DI for $100, and that was a sweet deal. Came with the installation DVD for macOS Leopard, I think. It's 5.8, and it was kind of dirty and banged up, and the keyboard was really nasty and yellow. And so took it home, I cleaned it up a little bit, then I installed macOS Leopard, and it took me a long time to figure out how to install Snow Leopard so that I could get the App Store and update it to El Capitan. I was able to create a boot, like a boot USB with Snow Leopard on it, updated it and everything. After I got El Capitan installed on it, it was a little bit slow. I mean, it ran as I expected it to, but then I decided to upgrade it to Catalina, which was a mistake at the time. The computer got extremely slow, very sluggish, and it would barely open up anything. So I decided to do some upgrades for it. So I went on iFixit and I got a few tools. I knew I wanted to put an SSD in it, and I knew I wanted to upgrade the RAM. The RAM was pretty easy. They sell a memory maxer kit for this computer. I didn't know if I wanted to get a large SSD. I ended up deciding to keep the hard drive and just buy a 250 gigabyte SSD. And instead of replacing it, I bought a kit that replaces the DVD drive with another hard drive or SSD. So I eventually got the RAM installed and I got the SSD installed. That took a little bit, just like figuring out how to put stuff together. So iFixit had a really comprehensive guide on how to replace all of your components on this computer. I'll admit it was a little bit tricky at first just because there's so many little cables and little wires that you have to detach from the display. The guide wasn't for my specific model, which made it a little bit difficult to follow, but at the same time it did have little notes on the side that would tell you like, oh, for the 24-inch, this is how it is. And at first I did have a little bit of a problem with when I put the screen back together, the display was very faded. Like there was no blacks at all. I kind of panicked. I thought I ruined the display. Like, oh shoot. I ended up seeing a forum. I'm not sure which one it was right now, but they said to try and reset the PRAM. When you turn the computer on, you hit Command Option, and then this is going to be kind of weird, but you hold P and R as well. You hold those buttons until the screen goes black and it's going to restart again. Then you can let go, and my screen was completely perfect. The display was awesome. So this is just a quick side-by-side test to see how quickly the same computer boots on the left with the hard drive and on the right with an SSD. As you can tell, the one on the right is so much faster, and I can get logged in and start browsing before the one on the left even booted up completely. This is pretty cool if you're used to using Mac, or if you just want the new Mac experience but at a cheaper price. It's not lightning fast like you'd expect from like a new Mac, but it does have most of the features that you would want, and it was a lot cheaper than buying an actual iMac for the price that they go for today. All in all, I think I put in about $300 into this computer. That's with the SSD and with the RAM and the price of the computer itself. I haven't tried any video or photo editing on it yet, even though I did install Premiere Pro and Photoshop, and those open up pretty quickly and the interface works really well. Haven't tried any projects on it though, so I assume the graphics card is going to be the biggest thing that stops it from working as well. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is proof that you can get a really decent iMac for $300 or less if you know where to look and what resources you have to upgrade it to specs that work today with the current programs that we have. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.